Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys doing well. And today we are going to learn Gujarati alphabets. Okay. So we start with these three alphabet, and with upcoming session we'll add some more. The very first is K, Ka. Second one Kh, Kha. Third one G, Ga. Okay. K, K-A, Ka, K-double-A, Kh, K-H-A, Kha, K-H-double-A, G, G-A, G-double-A means Ga. Okay. So let's have some words regarding those alphabets. So the very first is Ka. Okay. The first word is Kar. So the second one Kar, the long one. Ka, small one. Ka, long one. Okay. So Kar. So we are using the long one. Like in previous slide, if you see Ka and Ka. So Ka we have used for kapda. Okay. Clothes in Gujarati, cloth means kapda. Okay. So the smaller one Ka for kapda. Ka. Then for car, the longer one Kar. Okay. Let's go to the Kh. See, I'm just giving you idea about pronunciation for those three alphabets. So that's why I just give you a limited word over here. So this way you can do a practice, maybe with different words as well. But for just giving you understand how you can pronounce these alphabets. Okay. So the Kh and Kha. So here we have Kha, Ta, Lo. So Kha. Kha, Ta, Lo. Kha, Va, Nu. Kha, Ra, Cho. Okay, cradle means khatlo. Okay, the cradle means khatlo in Gujarati. Food means khawanu in Gujarati. So kha, va, nu. Okay, kha. Okay, kha, va, nu. Cradle means khatlo. Expense means kharcho. Kharcho means expense. Okay. So for only kha we have different word. Let me type in notepad for you, which is kha ma sho. Will you wait? Kham sho means if you are asking will you wait, we have used in Gujarati we are using kham sho. Kham sho, will you wait? Okay, so here if you see we have used the first one kha. Kham sho. Okay, kham sho. Okay, like this kham sho. Okay, so here this one, the very first one kham sho, will you wait? Okay, and for ga, guy. Okay, the second one, the longer one, guy. Garam, the shorter one, ga, ra, ma. Okay, ganit, the shorter one, ga, ni, ta. Okay, guy. Okay, kav is equals guy. Hot means garam. Mathematics means ganit. Okay, so for cow we have used ga, guy. Okay, cow means guy. Hot means ga, ram, garam. Mathematics means ganita. Ganita. Okay, ganit. So if you see for ga we have ganit. For hot we have garam means ga, garam. And for longer one we have guy. Okay, so guys, just hold the screen for a while, just freeze the screen and remember guess those words which we just learned, and try finding such a different kind of words and try to pronounce it, and maybe in upcoming session we'll do more practice. Okay, let's go to the next one. So here we have some phrases regarding medical emergency. So the very first is I need to see a doctor. So in Gujarati we can say મારે ડોક્ટર પાસે જવું પડશે. I need to see. I means મારે ડોક્ટર પાસે જવું પડશે. I means મારે. Okay. Need to see a doctor means ડોક્ટર પાસે જવું પડશે. Okay, need to see means જવું પડશે. Okay, so if you say in Gujarati like I need to see a doctor, if you want to convey this message in Gujarati, you should say મારે ડોક્ટર પાસે જવું પડશે. Okay, I am feeling sick. I am feeling sick. In Gujarati, you can say મારી તબિયત સારી નથી. Okay, મારી તબિયત સારી નથી. And if you are feeling well, you can say મારી તબિયત સારી છે. Okay, નથી means I am feeling sick. Okay, but if you want to convey like you are feeling well, you should say મારી તબિયત સારી છે. Okay, for feeling sick or not feeling well, you can say મારી તબિયત સારી નથી. Okay, I have a body ache. મને શરીરમાં દુખાવો થાય છે. Okay, body is equals શરીર. Okay, body means શરીર in Gujarati. I means મને and pain means ache means દુખાવો. Like I have a body pain or I have a body ache. So for ache or pain you can use દુખાવો word in Gujarati. દુખાવો. Okay, pain is equals દુખાવો. ache means દુખાવો. Okay, I feel nauseous. મને ઉલટી થાય છે. Okay, nauseous means ઉલટી. I feel nauseous means મને ઉલટી થાય છે. My head is itching means મારું માથું દુખે છે. Okay, head is equals માથું. Okay, and itching means દુખે છે. We already learned over here. H means દુખાવો. Itching means દુખે છે. Okay, I have a fever. Fever means તાવ. મને તાવ છે. I have a cough. Cough means ઉધરસ. મને ઉધરસ છે. My stomach is hurting or my stomach hurts. મને પેટમાં દુખે છે. So for fever we have used તાવ. So in Gujarati for fever we can use તાવ. For cough ઉધરસ and for stomach hurt પેટમાં દુખે છે. Okay guys, so let me do this phrases one more time for you. I have a fever in Gujarati મને તાવ છે. I have a cough in Gujarati મને ઉધરસ છે. cough means ઉધરસ. fever means તાવ. My stomach hurts. stomach means પેટ. દુખે છે means hurts. Okay, hurts means દુખે છે. Let's do some practice from our previous session. So the very first is hello, my name is, then in bracket you can add your name. So hello means namaste, you know. My name is Nirav means મારું નામ નીરવ છે. So if you want to convey your name in Gujarati, you should use મારું નામ, then your name you have to add છે. મારું નામ in bracket છે. મારું નામ નીરવ છે. Okay, now can you ask how are you in Gujarati? Perfect. તમે કેમ છો? So how are you in Gujarati? You can say તમે કેમ છો. Okay, તમે કેમ છો is equals how are you. Alright, how are you means તમે કેમ છો in Gujarati. Alright, now how would you respond to that question? Yes, perfect. હું ઠીક છું. I am good. Alright, હું ઠીક છું. I am good. Can you say I like to eat Gujarati food in Gujarati? Yes, perfect. મને ગુજરાતી ફૂડ ગમે છે or મને ગુજરાતી ખાવાનું પસંદ છે. Alright, I like to eat ગુજરાતી ફૂડ. લાઈક મીન્સ ગમે છે. આઈ મીન્સ મને. મને ગુજરાતી ફૂડ ગમે છે. ઓર મને ગુજરાતી ખાવાનું પસંદ છે. સો ગમે છે એન્ડ પસંદ છે. આઈ લાઈક ઇઝ ઇક્વલ્સ ગમે છે. આઈ લાઈક ઇઝ ઇક્વલ્સ પસંદ છે. એન્ડ ઇટ મીન્સ sorry, you can say food also, or for food we have word ખાવાનું in Gujarati. Now the next one is where are you from? So can you ask where are you from in Gujarati? Correct. તમે ક્યાંથી છો? So where are you from in Gujarati? You can use તમે ક્યાંથી છો. Alright, perfect guys. Now, how would you respond to that question? Yes, perfect. Who, then you have to add your location. Thi chu. Like for example, who Gujarat thi chu. Okay. I am from Gujarat. Who Gujarat thi chu. Okay. So, who, then you have to add your location. Thi chu. Who Gujarat thi chu. Okay, in place of Gujarat, you can add your location. Now, can you translate the following sentence in Gujarati? How do you feel about Gujarat? Perfect. તમને ગુજરાત કેવું લાગે છે? How do you feel means કેવું લાગે છે. Okay, you means તમને. Okay. How do you feel about Gujarat means તમને ગુજરાત કેવું લાગે છે. How would you respond to that question, guys? Yes, perfect. હું ગુજરાતને ખૂબ ચાહું છું. I love Gujarat very much. હું ગુજરાતને ખૂબ ચાહું છું. I love Gujarat very much. Okay, perfect guys. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I really hope these all videos are helpful for you, and I really want you guys to comment whatever your feedback, and see you. Bye bye, take care. Abar, dhanyavad.